Chickens are domesticated birds found worldwide, valued for their eggs and meat. They're versatile animals, easy to raise in backyards or on farms. Chickens come in various breeds, each with unique characteristics. Layers are bred for egg production, while broilers are raised for meat. These birds thrive in coops, which provide shelter and protection. They're social creatures, often forming pecking orders within their flock. Chickens eat a balanced diet of grains, seeds, insects, and greens. Their upkeep requires proper hygiene, vaccinations, and protection from predators. Besides being useful, chickens are fun to watch, making them a favorite for hobby farmers.